May I have this talk with you, Jesus, Jesus, yeah. For a moment, just one moment or two, I sure do love you. I want to say that again, Jesus, Jesus. Had this talk with you. Oh, my sweet Jesus, Jesus. For a moment, just one moment or two, I sure do love you. I do. I am a sinner. Yes, I am. Saved by your grace. You hung on that cross. Yes, you did. And you died in my place. And I sure do love you for that, Jesus. You see, you blessed me once, then you turn around, then you blessed me twice, yeah. Come to think about it, Jesus. You've been blessing me all of my life. Whenever I need you, you was always, always around. And you never, oh, you never let me down. Jesus. I love you, Jesus. Yes, I do. Yes, I do. Jesus. Because you first loved me. Oh, yes, you did. Oh, Jesus. You reached out and just said, Jesus. A little rage like me. Jesus. And I sure do love Jesus for that, Jesus. 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 My sweet Jesus. Yeah. Jesus. I love your holy name. Jesus. I